Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to copy multiple program files from card reader to CNC memory. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Ensure I/O channel value to be 4 for card reader. Press Program button. Switch to Edit mode. Press Folder soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Press Device Change soft key. Press CF soft key. Press Right arrow soft key. Press Select soft key. Then press Range select soft key. Move the cursor till the program files that you want to copy. Press Range End soft key. Press Copy soft key. Press Back arrow soft key. Press OPRT soft key. Press Device Change soft key. Press CNC Memory soft key. Press Right arrow soft key. Press Paste soft key. You can see that the selected programs are copied to the CNC memory. Thank you for watching the video.